Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a fixer-upper 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house located in Huddersfield Estate, St. Mary. The land area is approximately 14,520 square feet and the floor space is 4,800 square feet. The property is fully fenced and the land is well fruited with mango, coconut, breadfruit, ackee trees, etc. There is a shower and a change room by the pool, which is in need of repair. Awnings are installed, and there is a 700-gallon water tank. Overall, this is a nice house with potential and waiting on the right investor or family to turn it into a dream home. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 47 million or US $305.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.